What's up? What's up, you bold beauty boss? Right here, right here, right. Kia, kia. Right here. This is your boy Wick. Wicked. Shut up. Let me tell you what we're going to talk about today. Today we're going to talk about what happens when you actually start getting successful in the beauty business and all the hate, the freaking hate that you get with it. So a lot of y'all wonder, who's this bald fool wearing the white mask? Why is he talking to me? So what I do is I've been in the marketing sales industry for about 20 years, and I see how in the aesthetics industry so many struggle to get to where you should be. So if you're not where you want to be, there's something holding you back, you feel there's something missing, this right here might be one of them pieces. So one thing, if you know anything about me, I'm always constantly harping about the same thing. Get more on social media, do more videos, post more. Ironically, I was talking, some gal posted yesterday, another fine, bold beauty boss an esthetician, and she goes, I'm struggling with business. I don't know what to do. I'm posting on social media a ton. I'm posting on social media a ton. In my logical mind, because I am a dude, a ton is 2,000 pounds. So I assume this person is posting a lot. A ton is a lot. And I messaged her like, hey, you say you posting a ton. How many times are you posting? She goes, I post at least 2 to 5 times a week. So here, we have different definitions of stuff. If you tell me you're posting a ton, I'm thinking you're doing at least 5 to 7 a day. A day. One of the things I hear a lot is, Wick, I don't post on social media. Wick, I don't post a lot. Wick, I don't post a ton. Wick, I don't do videos because what if someone says something bad? What if someone attacks me? All right. So what if that happens? What if someone feels like they have the need to correct you, or they have a difference of opinion, right? So one thing that's funky in this business, and let me tell you what happens when you become more successful, when you post more, when you're doing more, you will be attacked. It is a given. You might be the nicest, the sweetest, the prettiest, the most caring person in the world. People find negativity anywhere, right? It doesn't matter. Here you are trying to better yourself, trying to better your business, trying to do more for your community, trying to take care of your family, trying to provide and hit your goals that you deserve. And here's some haters that are trying to chop you down, talking smack. Well, it's really this and this and this, and well, I don't know about this, and everyone's got a freaking opinion, right? And one thing that I've learned is that as you start posting more, as you start sharing more of your testimonials, you start sharing more of your knowledge, you start sharing more of behind the scenes of what's going on, you start sharing more about your journey as being an esthetician, you are going to attract hate from lesser individuals. I want that to resonate like this. You hear that vibration? So whenever you get hate, it is from lesser. Turn this up down. Right? Lesser individuals. It doesn't come from above. Hate, like when you're being successful, when you're doing something to improve your thing, right? Hate never, ever comes from above. You will not get hate from someone like myself who will be admiring you, who am like you go, girl. I'm glad you're doing this. Share more. Good job. Fantastic. You got that testimonial? Oh, that's amazing. You will get nothing but positivity from me. Why? Because I'm admiring you. I'm there with you on your journey. I'm the guy who's cheering you on from the sidelines. When you got to go uphill, I'm the guy that's pushing you from your back, going, "Come on, girl, one more. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's do this." Because hate never comes from above; it comes from below. And I want you to really ask yourself this. I want you to ask yourself, and I want you to feel this. Do you care what someone lesser than you, who is trying to sabotage your business, do you care what they think? Do you want that person in your circle? Do you want that person in your life? Do you want that person in your business? I hope all of those answers are no. If so, then you do not want that person in your mind. That's just how it goes. When it's beautiful weather out there, it's summery. Is that a word? Summer, sure, summery. It's summery outside. You're gonna get mosquitoes. It happens. It happens. When you're a beautiful woman, you're gonna get dudes trying to slide into your DMs. It happens, right? It comes with the territory. And same thing with success, because people that are not putting in the work that you are, people that are not dedicated as you are, people that are not just willing and committed to their business like you are, it's easier for them to hate you and share that hate with you, maybe even throw in a fake review. I've seen a lot of that going on lately, people putting fake reviews in your Google review or Facebook review, and they weren't even a customer. What the F, right? So if you start noticing that, know that you're on the right track. Know that you're doing good, and you want to keep going. When you get that negativity, be like, "Ooh, another hater." You know, ironically, as horrible as it sounds, and this is just dumb, but it's strangely true, is the more haters you have, probably the more successful you are. That's just how it works, right? The haters are rungs in your ladder. You're like, oh, got another one. Whoop whoop, gonna be a great month, right? And but you gotta be strong. You gotta understand that hate never comes from above. It only comes from below. And those are the people you're trying to break apart from. Those are the people you don't want in your circle, you don't want in your mind. So don't give them the satisfaction by slowing down your role. Don't stop. Be unapologetic with your postings, with your social, with your business, talking about your business, how you're able to help your clients, and you're able to do so much, and you're a member of the community. Share your tips, your tricks, your ideas. Bust myths in the industry of skincare. Give people interesting facts, whatever it may be. But the more you can do for them, your clients, the more you're going to be out there. You're going to be a target. So understand this. So if you are a nice gal, be a freaking bitch. Can I say that? I know I'm not saying it in a bad way, but it's okay. You can be a bitch. You can be an asshole. You can be a jerk for the right reasons. If someone is trying to hurt your business, if someone's like, well, hey girl, you're posting so much, maybe you should slow down. And I saw 2 posts from you the other day. Chances are that person is not a client. Why is that person giving you advice? Because the clients that you have, they want to hear from you more, especially if it's good content, if you're helping, if it's useful, and all that other good shit, right? So stick with it and understand this, if nothing else. Freaking haters. This is for the haters. Hate you, haters. So understand this. Hate only comes from below, never from above. And where you going, girl? Whoop, whoop, straight up. All right, so be amazing. Have an amazing day. Got to get this mask on while I take care of my skincare. Hope you're doing the same. Take care of your clients. Be amazing, because being amazing pays oh so well. Peace out.